Mazda cancels CX-60 live premiere. But that doesn't mean the CX-60 won't be revealed tonight. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Mazda has been working on a whole new range of SUVs and other vehicles, revealing the 2023 Mazda CX-50 crossover last year. Various parts of the world will be getting various models, but they will share many commonalities. The next crossover to be revealed is also the first plug-in hybrid vehicle for the brand and will be called the CX-60. We already know what it looks like after leaked images hit the internet earlier today, but we were still looking forward to the global reveal that was meant to take place tonight. Mazda UK said, "We had planned to host the live world premiere event for the Mazda CX-60 tonight, but given the terrible situation in Ukraine, we didn't believe celebrating our car launch in the usual way was appropriate at this time." The brand clearly feels that revealing its new crossover would be insensitive to the plight of Ukrainians and would detract from more important matters that could severely affect the entire globe. This is a kind gesture that must be applauded. After all, how would you feel if war was at your door and the rest of the world seemed to carry on as normal? While we have cancelled the world premiere event, continued Mazda, we have instead created a short film about the all-new Mazda CX-60, which includes a short introduction from the Mazda Europe CEO, Martijn ten Brink. This will air later today. Our thoughts are with the people of Ukraine, who need your help. This is an unnecessary war that could affect the entire globe, and it's done plenty of damage already. We pray that the world's political leaders find a path to resolution of this senseless conflict, and soon. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.